Welcome on board to Clinical Trials. We will be talking about Introduction to Clinical Trials and understanding the importance of clinical research. Definition of clinical trials. Clinical trials are research studies that explore whether a medical strategy, treatment, or device is safe and effective for human use. The goal is to advance medical knowledge and improve patient care. Clinical trials are research studies conducted to evaluate the safety, efficacy, and effectiveness of new medical treatments, interventions, or procedures in humans. These trials are designed to answer specific questions about the potential benefits and risks of the tested intervention and contribute to the advancement of medical knowledge. Clinical trials can involve various phases, from early feasibility and safety assessments to large-scale studies aimed at determining the treatment's overall impact on a particular condition. Participants in clinical trials, often referred to as subjects, voluntarily enroll to contribute to scientific knowledge and may gain access to novel treatments not yet available to the public. These studies are crucial for the development and approval of new drugs, therapies, and medical devices, ultimately shaping evidence-based medical practices. Ethical considerations such as informed consent and oversight by institutional review boards, IRBs, are integral parts of the clinical trial process to ensure participant rights and well-being. There are 4 key components of clinical trials. Participants: individuals who volunteer to take part in the research. Control group: a group that does not receive the experimental treatment used for comparison. Interventions: the specific treatments or procedures being tested. Phases: clinical trials are conducted in phases to assess safety and effectiveness. Clinical trials is important as it contributes to the development of new treatments and therapies. Participants gain access to cutting-edge treatments, and they stem from evidence-based medical practices. In conducting clinical trials, ethics has to be put into consideration. Some of the ethical considerations include informed consent, voluntary participation, beneficence and non-maleficence, and scientific validity. Other ethical considerations include confidentiality and privacy, fair participant selection, and independent review. Also considered is monitoring and safety, transparent reporting, and post-trial access. In conclusion, adherence to these ethical principles is crucial to maintaining public trust, upholding the integrity of research, and safeguarding the rights and well-being of clinical trial participants. Institutions and researchers must adhere to established ethical guidelines and regulations. Let's talk about types of trials. Treatment trials: these test new treatments, drugs, or medicinal procedures. Precision trials: these investigate ways to prevent specific conditions. Diagnostic trials focus on improving diagnostic methods, while quality of life trials explore ways to improve the comfort and quality of life for individuals with chronic illnesses. Talking about challenges, there could be challenges based on possible side effects and unforeseen complications in challenge-based trial design.